I'm Warwick from the Ezy Taper. Here we've got a small demonstration on how the machine works in mounting a print onto a substrate. We can start with a regular digital print, nothing special, onto a piece of core flute by simply placing the print on top of the board. Load it into the machine by winding the handle. Once it's wound, it automatically adjusts for its own thickness. We can check our alignment, make sure we have a small amount of bleed there, and here, which means we're aligned correctly. If we're not, the machine has two small paddles with a 10mm lobe and a 30mm lobe. So if I'd accidentally put that out of alignment, I can raise the top roller, adjust my print to the correct position, then lower the roller down. It's quite an important process to be able to do that one side at a time, as if it's a 5-foot sheet, it's very hard to see what's happening 5 foot away when you're working on this side. Now it's in the desired location, clean it from any dust, separate the film from its liner. Now the machine has a static charge which holds the film up in place, so it is a true one-person operation. Tuck the backing back underneath and wind it back through. Once that's wound back through, we can get right to the very edge, lock down the start of the vinyl, and continue by lifting the backing, and there's our print finished. So it's a very quick process, a flawless finish, no bubbles and no creases. So the machine can also do different substrates. That's a piece of core flute. This is a piece of diamond plate. Now this diamond plate also has rivets in the face which protrude out the back. Now that can quite easily go through the machine without any damage whatsoever being done to the rollers, and you have no effect whatsoever to the machine, no lasting effect that has any side effects to your job. We can even get the corner of that and dig it right into the roller. By being able to do that and show that it's instantly healed, you don't have any reoccurring bubbles. So if you're doing a substrate that may have an irregular surface, it doesn't cause a bubble to reoccur every revolution of the roller throughout the job. Alright, comes to laminating on the machine, it's as simple as mounting a print. All we do is sit our roll of laminate on top. We don't have to apply any parts through the roll, it just rests on the top two rollers. Bring the film down between the top two silver rollers in contact with the front of the machine. Now the grip on the rollers grip the face of the film so it pulls it through perfectly square every time. Now we can open out that fold and bring it back so we're not wasting any material at the start of the job. We don't have to run a foot or two or a metre or two every time we start. Now I'll grab a print, place our digital print in. Now this part is quite important on the machine. When you're doing this, the machine has the ability to give you a test run. Now if that's a print that's 20 or 30 metres long, you've got to be perfect first go. With this, I can run it through and check it and make sure it's running nice and straight. If it's running nice and straight all the way down, I can take it back ready to start. So it eliminates the chance of mistakes. Bring the film up to the silver roller. Once we can get the film separated from the backing, the static charge once again holds the film up. Let's bring it back over to the edge. Now at this point here, take up the backing and place it on the roll on top. As the job goes through, the liner's being removed, and we also have a take-up roller on this model. So we bring out the take-up roller, bring the film out, stick the leading edge onto there, the job's finished. The perfect application every time.